Namaskar, my friends. I am Dr. Naresh Chawla. I am a chest physician based at Amritsar. 58 years back, India had a dream of TB free country, a place where there are zero deaths, zero incidents, and zero cost due to tuberculosis. The war against tuberculosis started in 1962. The National TB program, named as NTP, was launched in 1962 and it ran for almost 30 years. Unfortunately, the program was complete failure. Only 30% of the patient completed the full course of TB drugs. So that was a major setback in 80s and 90s, and such was the situation that WHO declared tuberculosis as a global emergency. Then in 1997, the program was relaunched as a revised national TB control program. In this program, the lacuna which NTP had, that was of compliance. So DOT strategy was adopted so that we can see the patient taking drugs. And fortunately, in this revised national TB control program, the cure rate rose to 85% and even the compliance of TB patient towards the ATT rose to more than 85%. So such was the impact of revised national TB control program. But again, there were some deficiencies, and deficiency was the MDR. Treating the MDR, the new program as a PMDT was launched in 2012 so that MDR patients get a best diagnostic and best of the drugs for complete cure of multiple drug resistance cases. In 2017, now country has again thinking of not only controlling, I am talking of elimination. By 2025, my country wants that this tuberculosis gets wiped out from this earth. Now, the main question is when 30% of the global burden means the 30% of the TB patient of the world are in India and 31% of the pediatric TB patient of whole of the world are in India and 30% of the TB patient of whole of the world are dying due to tuberculosis in India. Do you think this dream is achievable? If you ask me whether we can eliminate this TB disease by 2025, I may not have a sure answer, but I am very much sure about one thing, that my country is on right path. We are following a right way, and one day, and that day is not far, when we will surely eliminate this tuberculosis from our country. Now, what the doctors and what the patient need to know. Now we have four pillars to eliminate the tuberculosis. We have to follow that four pillars of principle. First is to detect early, second is to treat early, and third is to prevent the infection, and fourth is to build the program. So if we follow these four principles, we will be on the right path. The worrying point was when we all have drugs available in our country and we know the diagnosis, we know the treatment, even then the epidemic of tuberculosis remained in India. The worry was that detection is always late. When the detection is late, then you can't break the chain of transmission. If any patient comes to you up to 3 or 4 months of the symptoms, then you may treat him, you will cure him, but he has already provided the disease to 2 or 3 people in those 3 months. The most important is in this program or in this elimination race that we need to detect early and to treat early. So once we are detecting the patient in a right time and we are giving a right drugs in appropriate doses in a right duration, then we can help our nation to eliminate the tuberculosis. And for the people who are watching this video, a general public, my request is once you are having a cough for 2 weeks or more, once you are having a fever for 2 weeks or more, if you are having a weight loss for more than 5% in 3 months, if you are having a loss of appetite, if you are having a blood stained sputum, if you are seeing some swelling in your neck, if you have some abdominal symptoms like alternate constipation and diarrhea, please reach your doctor. Get yourself checked for the tuberculosis because it is very important. If you get a TB diagnosis early, if you get a TB treatment early, you will be saved and you will also save other people who are living around you. So I congratulate all the doctors, all the people who are doing their best to eliminate this tuberculosis from my country. And my last word is Jai Hind.